In the last video, I showed the basic handling of the output that we get from running the PARAFAC model on the data block that we just created up in the data load. However, we can also load data that we've already created as a data block. So the example I just gave, we ran PARAFAC on block 2. However, before making block 2, we made block 1 that had 3 data sets in it. So we can go back and we can load that data block. Go load. Make sure memory file S block 1. There it is. So I've loaded block 1. You can see the name. You can see the size. Again, we can set the settings, number of iterations, and components. Again, to save time, I'm really going to pare this down quite a bit. And then we can go ahead and run the PARAFAC. We can see in the command window the PARAFAC is running. When we get the results, I'll go through it one more time. So these are the results that we get back. You see the scree plot here. We can see the iterations, 2 iterations for each component number. So these 2 iterations are solutions, possible solutions that PARAFAC has found for modeling the system when it assumes that the system is composed of 4 components. Again, so if you model the system using a 3-component model, these are 2 possible solutions. These are the 2 iterations that MATLAB conducted to find a solution. We can look at one of those. We can see the components in each of these modes. So these are, you can see we have a 3-component model here, and in this case, this is the emission mode. In the emission mode, this is what those 3 components look like. Now, if we want to get the exact values, to retrieve the values of these lines, that's where we go and get the parameters. So we've decided, or just say we've decided, we really like the 3-component system. We want to get the parameters. So we go down into the command window where it has prompted us to retrieve the parameters for the chosen component number, which is 3. So we've entered 3 down here where we're prompted. Hit enter. Again, prompts us to save these results, which is a good idea. This time we're block 1 PARAFAC results. We save that. And we get the factors for that system. So these factors contain all of the data that is contained in the models that we just chose. Cells or spreadsheets. So this contains, this 221 by 3 contains those 3 components in the emission mode. The 221 corresponds to the dimension of the emission mode. So these are the 3 components in the emission mode. Again, we can go back, we can say, let's look at the excitation mode. These are the 3 components in the excitation mode. And that is how to run the PARAFAC GUI. Thank you for listening.